Welcome back. I'd like to thank you for joining today. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning visitor, I appreciate you joining me back here today. Today we're going to be talking about secure copy, and what that will do is allow you to basically it's allows you to remotely copy and move files from a one remote machine to another. So whether you want to pull the information to your machine, or take some information and copy it remotely. That's what I think is pretty unique about the secure copy or secure. So basically, it's like secure share, but with the copy functionality, I guess you can say. You can do a push pull type of functionality. So that's what we're going to go over here and demonstrate today. So what I'm going to do is we're going to get two terminal window sessions here going. All right, so on one machine I'm going to remote in to a remote machine that we're going to be copying and transferring, moving data around. Okay, so let me go ahead and remote in. What that IP is on this remote machine. I don't remember what it was. Okay, here we go. Alright, so I'm on my remote machine. And let me go ahead and update this while I'm working on the other one here. So let's take a look here. Let me navigate to what's in downloads here. Alright, so I got some stuff here. Alright, let's say for example I got these image files, these ISO images right here. So these turnkey images. We'll use secure copy, and what we'll do is we'll copy this from one machine to the other. So excuse me. So we're going to copy from downloads folder on one machine. As you can see, this is another separate machine here, and this is a separate machine here. As you can see, here's our, let's go host name, so we can see that I am on two different machines here. Alright, so here's our host names. So I'm on two separate machines. And what we want to do, we're going to move this data using secure copy. So we're going to start from this machine, which is Office Hive here. We're going to copy data from there. So what we said, we're going to copy these files, and we're going to copy them over to actually, let's move it into the software. Alright, so anything and ISO, and let's, I think I got you already in there. So alright. Okay, so right now in this directory on the remote machine, there's an existing ISO there. So once we get done, we should have a total of 4 here. Alright, so let's go ahead and start here. So alright, so here's kind of excuse me, I'm sorry. So alright, so what did I do there? Oh. So here are your basically your options and arguments you can put in. It's essentially you're gonna type in. Let's go through this. So you're gonna type in secure copy, and you can either start where we're starting at, which is from the directory that we want to copy the data from. Excuse me. I need to get some water. Or you can input the path. But so you want to basically type in, we're gonna copy data from local to remote. So we're going to copy from this local to this remote machine here. So to start, we're going to secure copy, and we're going to, the data we want to copy, being that we have 3 of these, I don't want to do this 3 times, so we're going to, using some globbing here, we're going to, you can put the star asterisk sign and then .iso, that meaning anything, secure copy anything ending in .iso. So copy that, and our remote host, as you can see here, says user at host, and then file location. So what you want to do here is you want to username at host, colon, and then the path, this is going to be the path to where we want the data to end up. And remember, we said we want to put it here, so it's going to be our home. Let's do our working directory here. So pwd, so this is our path. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this, copy, so that's home, username, software, ISO. Okay, so we're going to say home, username, and software, ISO. Alright, so we've got secure copy, anything ending in ISO, then we've got our username at the host, and then the path of where we want to copy. So let's go ahead and let's hit enter. It's going to prompt us to put in the password for the remote host. So let's do that. And there she goes. We'll let that do its thing here. Those shouldn't be too big. I don't think those files are that big, so we'll roll through here. I'll toggle back and forth here as these copy through, and you will see, let's clear that out. You'll see these appear. So it's a few seconds here. I'll refresh the directory here, and we should start seeing some things populate over here. Let's refresh. Ah, and look. Here is our, what do we got here? So Matomo, turnkey Matomo, turnkey U, PHP tube. And what do we have here? This is on our remote machine. There the 2 are, and obviously they're still copying, so we'll let them finish. because we did try. We're pulling over 3 ISO images, so just so this completes. And what's good about this, you get the throughput percentage, throughput speed, size of data copied, and it gives you an estimated time of completion on here too. So I really like that. So you kind of you have some visuals. You can kind of tell what's going on. What was that? Oh, okay. So it's down to the 3rd ISO. I'll refresh this here in a second. Let me clear my screen back. Once it's done, we'll have all of our data. So that's done. This was the local machine. So let's go back to our remote side here. Let's click. All right. Let's refresh. ls list directory, and there we go. So there's all our. Here's our files. And let's do this. Take a look at our sizes. Tomo, we got 342, 514, and 366 megabytes. So that's what we have copied over. Look at 514, 342, and 366 megabytes copied. Looks good to me. So that's right there. We did a copy from local to remote. So now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll demonstrate copying. We'll pull the data back is what we're basically going to do. Right, what we did here, we pushed. Think of this like a push and pull kind of tug of war. So what we did first initially is we did a push. We securely copied the data from local to the remote. In this case, what we'll do is we'll pull that data. We'll pull data that we want. We'll reach out to the remote machine, copy that back to our local machine. So let's take a look here. Let's go. I want to get some nice good amount of data. I want to try get something different here. That let's see, what do we got here? Anything in. Okay, here we go. That's no, we're pulling back. So go back. Downloads. Okay. Alright, so let's go here. Let's back up. Software. Alright, so I think let's I've got some let's take a look at my downloads. Or let's go to music. How about let's do that. Let's pull some music. How about that? Alright, so here I have, how about some I've got some music clips and some theme music. Alright, so let's copy the theme music, and then this is going to be a folder. So, and where are we at? Let's get our directory. This is our remote. Remember, this is our remote location here. Let's go back to local, and all this is being done from the local machine. So let's if you tab up, hit up, you can go back to that history of that command. Let's back up. I'm gonna get all this out of here. So this time, what you want to do, you almost want to reverse this scenario. So you're going to say secure copy, and we are going to say username, the host, path to the file, so :/, music forward slash, and what was that? We wanted the theme music. Okay. Alright, so theme underscore music. So theme underscore music space. And now where do we want to copy this at? We can stay right here in the current directory, or we can move it wherever. So we'll say this is in download, so we'll say current directory. The current directory, that's what the dot forward slash is, current directory. Okay, now you can put in current, or just for aesthetic purposes, I think I'm gonna put in the path so you can kind of see where this is going. So you want to say home user downloads. Alright, so that's what we've got. Oh, since we are copying a folder, you're gonna have to throw in this argument here, space minus R, which is recursive, so it will recursively not only go through the folder to copy the folder and the contents within the folder. So we've got secure copy, space minus R for recursive. We've got the user and host name and path to the location we want to copy, space to the destination. So source copy to destination, and this time the source is actually on the from the remote host. So this is the pool type of deal that I was talking about here. So we've got that in there. We're going to hit enter. Now again, it's going to prompt you for the password to put in for the remote host, not the local host that you're on, but the remote. Hit enter, and there she goes. She's off to the races. As you can see, it's spitting through there. It's copied, it pulled all of this data. So now if we ls and refresh, there you go, folks. You've got that theme music folder that we have right here on the remote host. Here's theme music. So let's go in there. I want to confirm, make sure that we do have indeed what we copied. So let's go in here, theme music. And that looks about what all we have. Let's that it? Oh yes, it is it. All right, so I want to see the total size, what we have in here. So I said disk usage space minus SCH. So that size count, and then H for human readable, gives us our total size of everything that's in here, which is 58 megabytes total. So let's run that same command on our, this is our local host that we pulled the data from, or pulled the data to, I should say. So let's go in here. We want to say theme music. Okay, that looks about the same. Let's do a check here. Space minus S. What is it? SCH. What did I just type in here? Yeah. So SCH. There you go, folks. We've got 58 megabytes. 58 megabytes. That looks same to me. There's a couple other commands you can run to do checking and things like that. But as far as size count of everything that's in there, it looks correct. Visibly, this looks like everything that I copied over from here to the other. That's about it. If you want more information, you can always check out the man pages for the secure copy command. If you did like the video, please, I want you to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to do that. Like, share, and subscribe. I love to hear your comments. Leave them in the section below. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, I hope you did. You got something out of it. If not, hey, keep on going. You're not going to hurt my feelings. But I guess I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.